My name is Brandon Lutge. I'm from Texas, and I've been in the industry, in and out of the industry for the past 5 to 7 years. I look at the industry as a way to help people, to help companies get back on track efficiently. And in the past, working with other companies, I've noticed that people tend to look at the revenue stream rather than the imposition to the customer. So that was one thing that really affected me of why I kind of bounced in and out of the industry. The different thing about ESP is the integrity and the desire to really be there for the customer, regardless of the bottom line. Bottom line's important, but I think the culture in ESP is first and foremost the client, the customer, and how to take the imposition, the inconvenience, and everything off of their plate, try to get them through their issues as fast as possible and get them back up and running. In the industry, some of the worst things that I have seen, again, I'll circle back around to the comment of prioritizing the bottom line over the customer's convenience, expecting and hoping for more disaster, for more revenue. That was one of the lowest points that I've seen in the industry, where it was prayed for that the hurricane would hit. And it was disturbing at that moment. Some of the highest points that I've seen are the care and the dedication to the customer that I've seen with ESP. Expedited Service Partners is going through a lot of growth, but that growth is going to resonate throughout the industry with ESP's integrity, ESP's dedication to their craft and their customers. I see a lot of great things for ESP and our clients going forward.